Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 41. Stars. I lay on the hill at night, grass cool beneath me, looking up at a sky splashed with countless stars. Each one flickered like a distant thought, tiny fires burning through the dark. The wind whispered through the trees, carrying scents of earth and pine, and I felt the quiet weight of the universe pressing gently on my chest. A shooting star streaked across the sky and I made a small wish, smiling at its fleeting brilliance. Crickets chirped. A night bird called, and I realized that life moves in rhythms both vast and intimate. Hours passed unnoticed, stars wheeling slowly overhead, reminding me that wonder is everywhere. Patient and eternal, waiting for those willing to lie still, look up and let the night teach its silent, shining lessons. Now listen to the poem. I lie on the hill, grass cool, sky above, a silver pool. Countless stars flicker, distant fire, tiny lights of deep desire. Wind whispers through earth and pine, universe presses, quiet, fine. A shooting star streaks, wish is made. Crickets sing in night's cascade. Hours pass, stars wheel slow, vast and intimate rhythms show. Wonder waits in patient night, silent lessons, soft and bright. Lie still, look up, absorb the gleam. Night reveals the eternal dream.